Hi, welcome to Easy Plant-Based DIY Recipes. Say that 10 times, right, in a row. I'm Patricia. I have here a recipe that I think you will really like. Again, welcome. I've got a new video camera. I have a new microphone, and I think things are going to get better and better. I just have to work with the lighting with my glasses. I'll wear them down here, even though I'm not nearsighted. I'm not farsighted. I am nearsighted. I can only see till about this much, and then I need glasses, two different kinds now. One for that far away and one for this. This is the one I have for cooking and computers. So I will wear them like this for now until I can figure out the lighting. So this is a work in progress still. I started last August. I think I got some great things for you and great more coming. We'll have a lot of fruit salad recipes coming up this summer. By the way, happy spring. You may not be here until for 5 years to see this video. But guess what? We're here in the pandemic. It's April. Is it April? Yep, it's April. It's the beginning of April, kind of the middle, coming to the middle. And it's my second one, so I'm really on a roll. This one's a fast one, though. And we're going to do it right now for you, okay? So, this is the acai bowl. I am not giving you much of a recipe at all here. You're going to do it on your own because this is easy. And even the kids can get involved in most of this, except for some of the knife skills you might want to do your own. But, some of the knife stuff, you can give them a little, butter knife to do, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now, this is the acai. And I was down at the big box stores there, and you know the one, okay? You probably know the one that has it, the acai bowl. And I said, I'd like to make this at home because I live 20 miles from the big box store, and I don't go there all the time. And sure enough, they have it. You can make it at home. Now, they have it in most supermarkets. Even the big box store carries it. So I bought some, and they come in these packets. And what you do when you take it out of the freezer, you don't want to thaw it out because it has to be cold, okay? You just can rinse it in a little warm water. Okay? That's all you need to do. Now I'm going to take my scissors here and just cut the top. And I'm going to get my bowl. And I'm going to squeeze it in just like you would do one of those, oh my God, I haven't had them in so long, I'm forgetting the names of them. The pop. The pop thing. Okay, so it stays in there, and it does, especially in the summer. That's going to thaw out in no time. And this is a fruit, acai. It's from the tropical islands. And so, all those other tropics, you know what I mean? Oh my God, it is so good for you. It's considered like, pomegranate or blueberries. It's loaded with the antioxidants, so it's great for your stomach and your whole blood, your everything. It's not a nutrition class, okay? We just do things healthy here, plant-based. So let me see, is this one moldy? I don't know. Checking. No, I think I got a little something in there that was white when I was working with it, because these are fresh. I just rinsed them out. It's the blueberries, so I'm putting the blueberries in right now. Okay, next thing is, well, you can do strawberries too. I don't happen to have any, but I'm using, so strawberry berries would be first. Strawberries is another good choice for this. Okay, so I have some fresh pineapple here. You can also use canned, okay, and I'm just chopping. Simple chops. You don't have to even put your fingers down with this. I had already chopped the pineapple. In one of these classes, maybe, we'll go through chopping vegetables too. Probably this summer. I'll bring some tropical in with the fresh strawberries and stuff, and we'll make some stuff with that very soon. I'd like to get to 4 a month, maybe. Maybe we can, get more people in through the Instagram account I just created, and I'll put my handle down below. So you maybe can join me there too for updates. I'm going to be featuring other vegan sites with that, such as Food Network and other things. Not really to promote them, although I love those channels. I'm a member of Food Network Kitchen, and so I'll get some vegan stuff from them too in my channel, so that you can see other people, and even on this, I may have a list of a playlist of all the ones that I follow through this as well as time goes on. Everything's new to me. I haven't done internet marketing since I had my eBay store and I became a power seller in just 2 weeks in 2001. I mean, now I sell these, and you do have the link to my site where you'll see, some of the stuff I started featuring back in 2001. And yeah, so I kind of gave it up for a while doing other things, which was a good thing because I learned so much. Okay, so now I'm learning again, relearning online now. So here's what it looks like. I know it's a little bright there. I hope you can kind of see what that is. It's a little bright. I have to work with the lighting. That's a work in progress. Now, next thing would be the banana, of course. Yeah, let's finish our fruit before we get into the toppings. The banana. This is an option. And I'm just chopping it down. Again, you could get the kids involved, teach them. They could use maybe the butter knives, things like that, before you give them the big chef knife or anything, So there's that. Looks really white. Okay. The other option, of course, and these are delicious in it. Can you see? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's hard to see. I got a light right here. I think it's a little too bright. So I'll work with this. I'm going to work with it because I'm going to be featuring another YouTube channel teaching jewelry making. That's another thing I do. I also teach fitness. So, if you want any information on that, I can send you that. Just, message me if you like making jewelry too. Because that's part of, what I do. I design things. I'm very creative, as a lot of people are. It's amazing. Okay, so this is going to be quick. We're almost done. So you can, break them up a little bit. These are hard. I had them for a little while, so they're really hard, even though I kept them sealed. So be careful using these, especially if you have dentures or if you have a child. You want to be careful to make sure that these are safe for them. All right, so I got that. And the last thing is our granola. And we have the recipe when I had my old camera there. It's excellent. It's the best granola. Just like anything you use that's not processed. We were talking about that, and I just did a class on salsa. And we're talking about how I'm going to be coming up with bean curd recipes and how the bean curd in the can does not compare to the one that you make, that we're going to make in one of our next classes very soon. And that's going to go with our salsa that I just posted. Okay? This here is the granola we've made, and it can't compare against store-bought. Even the best granola isn't as good as the one that is made at home. That's why I call it, I believe I called that one blue ribbon granola. Was that the one I called? A lot of our stuff is blue ribbon. I go to the Big E. I've been going to the Big E with my designs, but I'm thinking of bringing things that I bake as well there coming up. And they have always had this thing with homemade granola. So I'm hoping that I get the blue ribbon. And if not, I'll let you know how that goes. Hopefully we'll have it this year with the pandemic. So you can see, I put the blueberries up a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. I'll put it really close. I know the lighting is really bright here, but it's virtually done. And you can put 2 packets of the acai. I often do that because I love the acai so much. And there's so much fruit here, even though I only use a little. It looks like so much. And with the acai, it's so healthy and it's so delicious. So try it, okay? Check your supermarket. They're in the freezer section. And try this out. It is, you wouldn't believe, you have a healthy plant-based dessert or snack that's really good for you. And you may be a salt person rather than, I'm more of a salt, a little bit more than the sweet. And for me, I could eat like 2 of these. Like I said, they're 2 acai anyway. I'm going to let you go because this is a quick one. Not even 10 minutes here. I'll see you soon. Tell your friends about it. Comment. Let me know if you've done this and if there's any other ideas that you have for this. I would love to hear it. And hopefully see you soon. Okay? Patricia signing out.